Now we are moving to buoyancy and Archimedes principle. See, what is Archimedes principle? Archimedes principle states that when a body is immersed in a liquid, it will experience an upward force that is called the buoyant force, which is equal to the weight of the displaced water. In this GIF, you can see that the weight is slowly lowered downward. The weight initially weighs around 11 pounds. When it is dipped into the water, you can see that the final weight becomes 4 pounds. That means a total loss of 3 pounds. You can see that what is the weight of the fluid displaced? It is 3 pounds of water. So here you can see that when the weight is dipped, the weight measured will is reduced to 4 pound. That means a 3 pound weight is acting upward, which is the buoyant force. The weight is reduced because of the buoyant force. There is gravitational force and there is an upward buoyant force which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. That is 3 pound of water. So this is the concept of buoyancy, and Archimedes principle is used to find the buoyant force. Then what is center of buoyancy? See, center of gravity means there is the center of the body. That means where the weight of the body is acting. So here it is point G. The weight of the body is acting at this point. This body is partially submerged in water. So total about height h is submerged. So center of buoyancy is the center of the displaced fluid. So that means water up to a height of h is displaced. So what is the center of that displaced fluid? That is the center of buoyancy. At this point, buoyant force is acting. So gravitational force is acting at the center of gravity, and buoyant at point center of buoyancy, the buoyant force is acting.